Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can find and open voicemail settings on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So the first thing that we need to do is open the phone app. Now over here in the top right corner you want to tap on these three dots and then go to settings. In the settings you want to go to voicemail, and over here we have all settings related to the voicemail. We can tap on notifications in order to manage our voicemail notifications. Over here, as you can see, we can customize them a little bit. We can choose the sound, we can turn on and off the vibration, and we can completely enable or disable them, those notifications. If we go back, then we can also adjust or turn on and off the visual voicemail. And we also have advanced settings, and if we go there, we can choose the service, which usually is just your carrier. And we can also choose setup in order to set the voicemail number over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.